used to live like this. I got a bad little boss bitch. Too many diamonds, camera glitch. Yeah, I'm shining on fraud bitch. Ain't gotta tell them, they know that I'm rich. I gotta
welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are interested in this bomb 1B to 27 color wig, then please keep watching. So for today's video, I am working with this already made blonde unit. I did go in and bleach the knots, pluck it, and style it. So this video is just a quick little install video. The curls, I'm just gonna take this wide tooth comb. I did go in and add some layers so I can get this cute like Goldilocks look. Added some hairspray just so it can hold the curls. Oh, this is really, it's really giving me life. Go in with my eyebrow razor and I'm just gonna take this . It doesn't need to be too long, to be honest, you guys. Probably see some string right here. I'm gonna go in and talk about it when I actually get into the review part of the video, so just hold tight for that. For some extra hold, I'm gonna go in with my Tropical Roots. Why isn't anything fixing? I'm gonna go in with my Tropical Roots. I like using this because it kind of gives my baby hairs somewhat of a hold, but it doesn't give that hard got to be glue hold, so I want to go for like a soft glueless unit tonight. Too much, a little too much. Yeah, it's better. Now you want this to look extremely natural. I have natural sideburns, so I'm just trying to get it to mimic, you know, a little natural. We don't need nothing too much. So I want to give you guys the full details on this wig. This is a 1B to 27 body wave wig. It is a 13x6 lace frontal wig with 150% density, and the length is 20 inches. Now, as I mentioned in the video, I did go in and cut my layers to it. I just wanted to give you guys Hollywood. I wanted to give, ooh, Jessica Rabbit, but blonde, okay? That's what I wanted to give, and I feel like that's what I'm giving. That's what I'm giving, period. So now on to the actual review for this hair. As you guys can see, this hair comes this color. I did not have to do anything to this but bleach and pluck my knots. Of course, give myself a nice little part that, as you guys can see, has a good amount of parting space. So I did go in and bleach this unit, like I said, and plucked it. This hair does start at a 1B color and then transitions into this bright blonde color. Now, it's not super bright, but it is bright enough that it's blonde. It's blonde. So with that being said, I did notice some shedding. Though it is, you know, dyed, I still think that this unit is super bomb. I think this unit is an amazing unit if you guys are interested in some color. If you guys want to try out some color and want your roots black but you want the hair blonde so it can take the color well, like, this has so many positive uses towards it. But I'm just letting you guys know, you will have to put some more love on this hair because it is blonde. The one thing that I will say about this unit is that when I was going through and plucking the unit, the lace actually broke easily. Now, thin lace is super convenient because it will melt like this. However, when you're trying to pluck, if you're in a hurry, you will rip your lace. That's what I did right here, and I put a little string. You guys can see it right there. Now I just kind of cover it up with hair. or it kind of blends in, honestly. So I did have to do that because I did rip my lace, so I just went and sewed it together just so it's not a hole. It kind of looks like hair, unless you're looking extremely hard, which nobody needs to be all up in my head like that. I'll say if you guys do purchase this unit, then just be careful with that. Honestly, that's the only thing I have to say. Like, this unit is amazing, especially for a blonde unit. Like, just put your products on it, take good care of it, and you are good to go. Now, I just want to be clear, I'm not saying that this unit is nappy or naughty. I'm just saying that you're definitely gonna have to show this unit love. Like, it's bleached hair. You're going to have to put that work in to take care of it, just like you would your natural hair. As I mentioned, this unit is amazing. I love it. It is soft. I did go in and put my oil on it. I did go in and do the necessary things that I needed to do to make sure that this unit stays like this. So all I'm saying is you guys definitely will have to do that if you want your unit to be nurtured looking, you know, just put together. You don't want your ends looking dry. This is a blonde unit. Just take care of the hair and you guys will definitely get bomb results like I did. I'm not receiving any strands. I'm not receiving any strands at all when I finger comb the hair, and I'm not receiving a lot of strands on my brush as well. I really do love this color, you guys, and I love how the roots are black. I love how the lace matches my skin. I love the texture of this wig even after clearly the bleaching it has gone through. It is still amazing. It is still nice. It's still full. It's still luscious. The curls are bomb, and I curled this wig hours ago. I didn't pin curl it. I just curled it, put my little spray on it, and left it alone, and it is still gorgeous, you guys. So if you guys are interested in a wig like this, I will definitely leave all of the information down in my description box. I definitely suggest this wig. I definitely think that it's worth it. It is worth your coins, sis. If you're interested in a wig with color, or you want to try some color, I think that you should get this. Like, I honestly can dye this bad boy red or orange if I wanted to, because the blonde is already perfect and so are the roots. Like, I might watercolor this hair, honestly, because, baby, it'll get the color nice and vibrant. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave everything down in my description box. If not, I'm gonna keep rambling about this wig. All right, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.